Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the topic sets in detail. So, what is set? Set are collection of objects which are unordered and unindexed. The biggest difference between the set and other data types like list and tuple is that the set does not contain duplicate values. By default, set will neglect all the duplicate values. And they are also unindexed and unordered, which means they don't have the index value like list or the tuple, and they are not ordered. This is the syntax for the sets. So the set can be declared in two ways. You can use a simple curly brackets to declare the sets, or you can use a set constructor to declare the sets. Now I will look at an example to have better understanding about the sets. In this example, we have created a set called S1, which has 6 different objects. When you check the data type, the variable S1, Python interpreter should identify them as sets. Let's check it out. We use the type function to check the type of the variable, and it has been identified as sets. If we print our set S1, we will notice two things. One is the duplicate entry for 4 and 5 has been removed. Earlier, we had 6 objects with 4 and 5 as a duplicate entry. Now we have only 4 objects. The duplicate records for 4 and 5 has been removed. And if you notice, the order has been changed. Now we will look into another example. In this example, we have created a set S2 with 4 objects using the set constructor. If we print our set S2, the duplicate record should be removed and the order should have been changed. Here we go. We can also add value and remove values from the set. To add values to the set, we use the function called add. And to remove the value from the set, we use the function called remove. Now we will look at an example to understand how add and remove function works. We specify our set name and use the dot operator and call the add function. Inside the function, we pass the value which we need to add. In our case, we are trying to add 14 to our set S2. If we run the code and print our set S2, we should notice that 14 is added to our set. Here we go. Now the remove function. First, we specify our set name, then use a dot operator and call the remove function. Inside the remove function, we specify the value which we need to remove. In our case, we are trying to remove the value 3 from our set S2. If we run this code and print our S2, we should notice the value 3 must have been removed from our set. Here we go. Now the value 3 has been removed from the set. I believe you guys understood the concept of set in detail. See you guys in the next video.